How to create a custom sticker on Snapchat. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So open your Snapchat, then simply click a picture of what you want to make the sticker of. For example, I click the picture of this keyboard, and then you will see this square shaped icon. Simply tap on it, and from here, or simply tap on this scissor icon, select the portion you want to make the sticker, just like this. You can choose say shape, and just like this you can see this is now made a sticker. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.